The succulents which can be easily propagated in the month of May. The first very easy to propagate is kalankoi, which can bloom with a beautiful orange blooms. Take the stem cutting and place it in a soil, and very soon it develops roots. This is the one which I propagated by the stem cutting. And even we can go with leaf propagation, the echeveria, where you can separate the leaf or even the leaves which are fallen from the main mother plant can be separated and place it in a pot, and very soon it start developing the plantlets. Simple way: take the leaf, give bright and filtered sunlight, as well as mist them with water whenever the soil dries out. Within a couple of weeks, roots will start sprouting, and this is string of banana, which can be propagated by stem as well as leaf. The crassula, the camphire, this is green because it is in a shady region, so easily propagated by stem cutting. The kalankoi, the flapjack, usually it grows a small pups towards the side at the basal region, and that should be separated and grown. Sansevieria dwarf grows number of pups at the basal region, separated. The camphire and the crassula, which is easily propagated by stem cuttings. The jade, even this can be propagated by stem cuttings. And this is kalankoi pinnatum, which is grown so long, so huge. Kalankoi pinnatum easily propagated by leaf. You can see number of the baby plants which are propagated by the leaf. This has got very good medicinal value, good for health, and everybody should grow in their homes because of their good benefits. Bryophyllum tubiflora, or the mother of millions. I just got one plant. You can see so many plants, and they are so easy to propagate by stems and also by leaf. So this is flapjack, kalankoi pinnatum, crassula propagated by stem cuttings, and this is the new growth after the propagation. The kalankoi blossphilidiana, which can bloom the beautiful colored orange blooms. And all this jade propagated by stem cutting, and string of banana by stem as well as leaf propagation, and all these are propagated and they are showing good results. And you can start now propagating in the month of May, and easily you can get more plants of succulents. The jade, which is propagated by stem cuttings. The turtle vines, which are very beautiful in hangings, they too propagated by the stem cuttings. The pencil cactus, and I just got one plant. You can observe I can increase the number with more number of containers, and they are so easy, not even a single stem can go failure. So these are the updates.